Good morning, children. In our last class, we have seen what are algebraic expressions, variables, coefficients, terms, like terms. What are monomials, binomials, trinomials, and polynomials. And we had ended our class saying that only the like terms can be added and subtracted. So today we shall see how to add like terms. Okay. Look at the first example. 4x plus 5y. How many terms are there? There are two terms, addition. Can we add these two? No. Why? Because the variables are not the same. So they are not like terms. Addition and subtraction can be done only with like terms. These are not like terms because the variables are different. So this answer is this only. You cannot do anything further than this. Look at the second one. 5x plus 12x plus 6x. Are they like terms? What is the condition to be a like term? Same variable with same index. Are they? Variable is same. All the power is 1. So they are like terms. So we can add. So how do we add them? We add all the numbers together. That is all the coefficients together. We bring all the coefficients together. Put a bracket. What are the coefficients over here? 5. Put the sign. Plus, which is the coefficient of the second? 12. Plus, which is the coefficient of the third? 6. Close the bracket. Which is the variable throughout? X. So put that variable outside. This is like, for example, I have gone to the market and I have purchased some pears. For pear, I am naming it as X. So from the first vendor I have taken 5 pears. Second vendor I have taken 12 pears. Third vendor I have taken 6 pears. So you can see the same fruit I have purchased, that is throughout pear. Okay. So how many pears have I purchased? To know that I add all that. So I added 5 plus 12 plus 6. And what have I purchased? Pear. So I have put it together. So what will my answer be? 5 plus 12, 17 plus 6, 23. X. So I have all together, I have got 23 pairs. 23x. Okay. Look at the second example. Minus 4a plus 6a minus 3a. Okay. Minus 4a plus 6a minus 3a. Are they like terms? Yes. Why? Same variable, that is a. What is the power? Power of it is 1. So can I add? Surely. How do I do it? I bring all the coefficients together. What are the coefficients? Minus 4, please take care of the sign. Okay, I have to write the coefficient along with the sign. Minus 4 plus 6 minus 3. These are my coefficients. Which is the variable throughout a. So I take it out. Now, you do the addition and subtraction. You know, minus 4 plus 6. We have done that. In addition and subtraction, if the signs are different, put the sign of the greater number and write the difference between them. So, first you do these two. Minus 4 plus 6. Signs are different. Put the sign of the greater number. That is plus. What is the difference between these two? 2. So, you have plus 2 minus 3. Plus 2 minus 3. Again signs are different. Put the sign of the greater number. We have got plus 2 minus 3. What is the sign of the greater number? Minus. What is the difference between them? 1. What is the variable? A. Since it is 1, coefficient is 1, we don't write 1. So we write it as minus A. I prefer you doing this mentally. Okay, by now you should activate your mind and you should do it mentally. You can also, since you have -4 and this is -3, signs are same. So add the numbers. 4 plus 3, 7. So you get -7 plus 6. -7 plus 6. Minus is the greater, so you put a minus sign. What is the difference between 7 and 6? 1. So write that. Okay. Fourth one. 3x square y plus 12x square y minus 4x square y. Are they like terms? Look at the variables. What are the variables? In every expression we have x and y are the variables. And what is the index? In all these expressions you can see index of x is 2 and in the index of y is 1. So the power also is same. So they are like terms. So can we add them? Surely. How do we add them? Bring all the coefficients together. What are the coefficients over here? 3. Coefficient in the second plus 12. Coefficient in the third minus 4. Close the bracket. What are the variables? X square y. So what is the answer over here? 3 plus 12, 15. 15 minus 4, you have 11 x square y. This is the answer. I suppose this is clear to you how to add, and if you look at it, we have added the monomials. This is a monomial, this is a monomial, this is a monomial. Monomial, monomial, monomial. Monomial, monomial, monomial. So when we add monomials, first take care whether they are like terms. How do we check whether they are like terms? They are same variables with same index. And if they are like terms, we can add or subtract them. You bring all the coefficients together. Coefficient means along with the sign, the number along with the sign. So you put them together in a bracket and write the variable along with the power. Is it clear to you? Just copy this. Now let us see how to add binomials. Okay, you can see here 9a plus 16q. This is a binomial because there are two terms in it. 3a plus 4q, again a binomial. So I have two binomials and I want to add them. How can I add them? There are two methods, horizontal method and vertical method. Whichever you are comfortable, you can do it. Okay. Now please remember, only the like terms we can add. So we are supposed to add them. So first you put the first binomial in the bracket plus the second binomial. In the next step, we bring the like terms together. If you look at it, 9a and 3a, both are like terms. They have the same variable with the same power. So I write them together. That is 9a plus 3a. Then I have plus 16q and 4q. Again, they are like terms. So I write them together. 16q plus 4q. Now if you look at only this much, that is 9a plus 3a, we have already done how to add them. This is like I have 9 apples and 3 apples. So together how many apples I have? 12 apples. This is q. This may be pear or guavas or something else. So I cannot add them along with apple. I can put apples together. So 9 plus 3, I add the coefficients and put the variable. Again, since these are like terms, I add the coefficients and put the variable. So 9 plus 3 I have 12a plus 16 plus 4, 20q. This will be my answer. Now if you look at it, can I further add them? No. Why? They are not like terms. Variable here is a, variable here is q. So I cannot add them further. This will be my final answer. Now how did I decide whether I can add them? Because I saw that there are some like terms in both the binomials. Therefore I can, whatever is the like terms, I can put them together. Now how do we do it in the vertical manner? In vertical manner, we are supposed to add them, put the sign of addition, and then we can see that first binomial is 9a plus 16q. Write that 9a plus 16q. And when you write the second binomial, put the like terms one below the other. This is 3a, which is a like term of this with respect to the first binomial 9a. So write 3a below 9a, the same sign, plus put 4q below 16q, and you just add the coefficients. 9 plus 3, 12. A, that is the same. 16 plus 4, 20. Same variable q. If you look at it, you can see that both the places we have the same answer. This is how we solve it horizontally, and this is how we solve it vertically. Okay, you can choose whichever method you want. Only keep in mind, only like terms we can add. So when you look at the like terms, add the coefficients and put the same variable. Okay, please copy both the methods. Let us look at the second example. 13x square minus 12y square. This is the first binomial. Add 6x square minus 8y square. Second binomial. So I put the addition sign. Put the binomials in their bracket. So I have 13x square minus 12y square. 6x square minus 8y square. In the next step, what are we supposed to do? Bring the like terms together. What are the like terms? I can see that this also is x square, x square. So these are like terms. Y square and y square are like terms. So I bring 13x square plus 6x square minus 12y square minus 8y square. I put them together. Now, like terms I can add. So I bring the coefficients together. 13 plus 6x square. Now I am adding. So I am putting plus this like terms. First coefficient minus 12 minus 8. What is the variable? Y square. So when I add them, 13 plus 6 I get 19x square plus minus 12 minus 8. Both are minus. In addition and subtraction, if the signs are same, put the sign of the greater number. Sign of the greater number, add the numbers. 20y square. So 19x square. Now I open the bracket, plus into minus, I get minus 20y square. Okay, now in vertical method, put the sign addition. Write the like terms one below the other. So 13x square, 6x square. So when you are writing it, please make sure that unit place are written one below the other. Okay. Minus 8y square below 12y square. Now you have to just add them. Add the coefficient. 13 plus 6, 19x square. Both are minus. So put the sign of the greater number minus. Add them 12y square. This is how we solve it. Please copy. We will go for the third example. The third example, we have a trinomial adding to a binomial. There are three terms. Trinomial. Minus 16 also is a term. Okay. 7y square plus 8, this is a binomial because there are two terms in it. Method is same. If they are like terms, add the coefficients and put the variable. So, first we will put, since it is addition, we put the sign, operation sign. Then, minus 3y square plus, bring the like term together, 7y square plus 10y. There is no term, like term in the second expression. So, we don't write along with that. Third one, minus 16 plus 8. These two are like terms. So add the coefficients, that is minus 3 plus 7 y square plus 10y as it is, because there is no like term for it. So just write as it is, plus these are coefficients, so you can add them, minus 16 plus 8. Minus 3 plus 7, you have 4 y square. When the signs are different, put the sign of the greater number, write the difference between them. Put the variable plus 10y, because there is no like term. Whenever there is no like term, the term remains as it is. So you get it 10y as it is, plus minus 16 plus 8. Signs are different, put the sign of the greater number, write the difference between them. So you have 4y square plus 10y. When you open the bracket, you have plus multiplied by minus. Plus into minus, minus. So this is the answer. This we had a trinomial with binomial. Only thing you have to keep in mind, whether it is trinomial with a trinomial or a polynomial with a binomial, trinomial, whatever is given to you. Algebraic expression, when you add the coefficients of like terms. First you bring the like terms together and then you add the coefficients of it. This is only thing you have to keep in mind. We can add and subtract only the like terms. Bring the coefficients together, do the operation, then put the variable. How do we do it in the vertical method? First you write the first trinomial, and from the second binomial, whichever is the like term, write below it. 7y square come below, minus 3y square. Then we have in 8. 8 come below, 16. The like terms. Just do that normal way. Minus 3 plus 7. Signs are different. Put the sign of the greater number. Write the difference. 4y square. 10y, nothing in the second expression. So you write 10y as it is. Minus 16 plus 8. Signs are different. Put the sign of the greater number. Write the difference between them. That is 8. Can see both the cases we have the same answer. Keep in mind, we can add and subtract only the like terms. And when we add and subtract the like terms, add the coefficients together. That is all. Okay? Please copy it. Now I want you also to do the practice set 33, page number 57, practice set 33. There are 6 questions in that. Please do it by yourself. Have any difficulty, any question, mark it and keep it. Okay, we shall do it later.